Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX. We're going to have a look at two coffee strategies here. We're going to have a look at CTO6, which is our coffee countertrend system, and we're going to look at SN99, which is a breakout strategy on coffee. So we'll have a look at the performance stats here for a second. So you can see here that the last 4 months have been very consistent. December, not great, but you'd expect that because obviously the lower volumes in December. We don't typically trade through December. Perhaps the early 2 weeks, but after that not. So we've got January, February, March, April all sitting really well. April's been really good so far. Now this week's performance on coffee has been really good. So if we have a look at our weekly stats here, this system's pulled in $2,000 this week, and we compare that. Now this is not the best strategy on coffee we have, but it's tracking very consistently. If we have a look at CTO6, it's had a $2,000 week as well. So, but the thing I want to point out to you here is that CTO6 had a drawdown or a losing week last week, but SN99 had a winning week last week, only marginal. But still, you can see that they're definitely not correlated as far as their performance. The 22nd to the 3rd was the last losing week on SN99, and on the 22nd to the 3rd, we had a nice winning week on this Countertrend strategy, 4,500. So it's really balancing. These two systems are balancing out really well. Now, as I said, these two aren't really our top systems on coffee, but they're performing exceptionally well and pulling in some really good numbers. Not huge trades, like you've got 7 trades for the week, so that's not a huge number of trades, but we've got our commissions built in, not really much slippage on a Countertrend system, but you'll see we have the slippage and commissions built into our breakout strategy, because obviously you're going to get more potential slippage on a breakout system, and we've factored that in there at $3,000. But the average trade net profit on that system is $100, average trade net profit. And you can see that it's got a massive short bias there. So it's definitely trading, it's definitely running very, very well on the short side. And the max drawdown on that system is 2.6. Our max drawdown on our Countertrend strategy is 3.8. But you'll see also here that our average trade net profit is much higher at 154. And a good even split between longs and shorts as well, which is critical. Our win rate 47%. And you can see here that our profit factor 1.64. So just a really good strategy there. Now if we have a look at, just loaded up the Pennant strategy as well. This is Pennant 5, the breakout. This is doing well. It's pulled in 825 this week, 806 last week. Had a losing week on the 22nd of 1100, but it's been very consistent. If we look at the monthly stats, you can see here it again as well is doing well on the monthly stats. 2,000 in February, March was 5.2 and up 1,600 this month. So coffee again is becoming one of our better markets. It's definitely producing some really good profit. We had a huge year last year on coffee, and it looks like that trend's going to continue here for us in 2015. So traders, that's a very quick look at our coffee strategies. Obviously, those three there, SN99, CTO6, and our Pennant strategy there on coffee are doing very well. We'll be giving you an update shortly on PT10, which is our top performing system. It's kind of doubled the profit on these strategies. So thanks for your time, and I look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.